Next down the pipe was the acid rain scare of the 1970s and 1980s. And in many ways, this is the most interesting, as it really was a dry run for global warming. They had the same enemy, coal-fired power stations, and they had the same answer: emissions cuts, sulfur dioxide for one, carbon dioxide for the other. The National Academy of Sciences linked the two. The science of acid rain, it said, was much further developed than global warming. What the NAS doesn't want you to know is how the supposedly settled science of acid rain subsequently fell apart. Sure, power stations make rain more acidic. Rain is naturally acidic, especially after thunderstorms. But acid rain wasn't the cause of lake acidification. Acid rain wasn't destroying forests. A handful of brave scientists found that changes in land use, not acid rain, had caused the lakes of the Adirondacks to become acidic and lose their game fish. The EPA knew all this full well when it pushed the Clean Air Act amendments through Congress in 1990 and delayed publication of the final report of the 10-year federal acid rain research program, which set this all out. Yet 25 years on, if you go to the EPA's website, it falsely states that acid rain is a serious environmental problem affecting large parts of the United States that is particularly damaging to lakes, streams and forests. How to say this politely? What the EPA asserts about acid rain is a downright scientific fraud. Given this, does anyone really think that the EPA is in the business of discovering the truth about global warming? And would it tell us if it found anything that might put a question mark over what has become politically settled science? So it's perhaps worth going back to what climate scientists were saying about global warming before politics settled the science. The first chairman of the IPCC, Bert Berlin,